Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Pinterest business profile. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Pinterest business profile, start by visiting the official Pinterest website. If you already have a personal account, log in with your existing credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. In the settings menu, find the account settings section. Here, you will see an option to convert your personal account to a business account. Click on the Convert Account button to begin the process. Pinterest will prompt you to review the features available for business accounts. Take a moment to read the information provided to understand the benefits. Next, you'll need to fill out your business details. Enter your business name, website, and choose a business type from the drop-down menu. Ensure you provide accurate information as this will be visible to your audience. After filling in the necessary information, click the Next button. You may be asked to verify your website to access additional features. Follow the steps provided by Pinterest to add a meta tag or upload an HTML file for verification. Once verified, you will gain access to Pinterest Analytics and other promotional tools. When the setup is complete, you will be redirected to your new business profile. Take a moment to customize your profile by adding the logo and updating your bio. Finally, start creating engaging pins that reflect your brand and attract your target audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.